luxurious, rich, velvety chocolate flourless cake. It's the perfect way to finish a meal that you've created for the person that you love, and it's simple. Let's make it.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So we're gonna start by melting our chocolate. We can chop it, we can break it. I'm just gonna break it. I'm breaking it all up into small little pieces so that when I put it over here into our double boiler, it melts evenly and smoothly. Chocolate's going into our double boiler. Here we go. Got some cubed butter that's also going in here. The butter's cubed and the chocolate is all broken up, basically so that it melts faster and more smoothly. And the whole purpose of this double boiler contraption is so that we get even and consistent heat all over the bottom of the bowl. It's the best way to melt chocolate. That is perfection. Look at that. Let's pull this off of here. Adding in sugar. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Come in with some cocoa powder. Boom. Instant espresso powder. All right, so we got that going. Let's come in with a little bit of vanilla extract. A quarter teaspoon of salt here. So the funny thing about salt and sweet, it seems weird, but salt opens up your taste buds, which allows more sweet to go in. So using salt in something sweet actually makes it sweeter. Flourless chocolate cake. How does it stay together? The answer is eggs. So let's get some eggs in there. Whoop. Whisk it right in. Effectively, this is just delicious melted chocolate held together by the binding power of eggs. Okay, right into a baking tin. I've greased this pan extra thoroughly and I lined it with parchment paper so that the cake comes out nice and easy. This is gonna go in the oven 350 for about 30 minutes. We're gonna make a strawberry sauce. It's really easy. Here's some thawed frozen strawberries going right into a pan. Boom, boom, boom. This pan goes on, coming in with sugar. I got the juice of a lemon. So let's just get this together here. I'm using frozen strawberries because we're cooking them down and frozen strawberries are always available and affordable. Let's make a cornstarch slurry. The cornstarch is gonna make this strawberry sauce thick and velvety. Coming in with some cornstarch. Boom. Hitting it with some water and bring that together. Cornstarch slurry going in. Cool, so just cook the cornstarch out a little bit and immediately you'll see the bubbles look thicker. That's what cornstarch does. Look at that, big thick bubbles. Let's kill the heat. We wanna make this extra smooth. So it is time for the immersion blender. What a machine. It's starting to smell really good in here. Let this cool while the cake finishes. Strawberry sauce is totally cooled. Let's get it into a squeezy bottle. Now you can be a super restaurant professional. Boom. All right, our cake is cooled. Let's invert this. So you grab a plate, flip it over. Oh, smells fantastic. Here we go. Right, oh, cutting through that. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Okay. Here's how you really seal the deal. We're gonna go like this. Beautiful. Be deliberate. Oh, cake coming in. Boop. Boop. I'm gonna finish this with some powdered sugar. Very nice. This is good, but we're not done yet. We're gonna head to the herb garden to give it one final touch. Yes. Ah! This looks super great. This is exactly how we would look in a high-priced restaurant. More importantly, my date is gonna be super impressed. Dinner is served. Is that a mirage? No. It's a flourless chocolate cake that we made. Yum.